Scanco Procurement Automation is a web-native tool that syncs directly with your Sage 100 application to automate the purchasing process. Item and vendor information and inventory demand are synced from Sage and then compared to your preset warning criteria for inventory levels. The process begins by running a query to review current inventory levels. You can choose to display only those items which are already below the warning level, those that are at the warning level, or select Healthy to view all of your items. Scanco Procurement Automation is flexible and allows you to make adjustments to the start or cutoff dates, or apply a number of helpful filters. You could filter down to view any specific customer, sales order, vendor, product line, or any combination of the filters that you see here. If you find yourself frequently revisiting a filter or a combination of filters, you can save that particular query to save yourself time when you need to visit it again. For now, let's take a look at all of our critical inventory. Queries are still flexible after displaying their results. Here, you can change the vendor selection based on multiple factors. You can also continue to apply filters by any of the columns displayed on the query. The order quantity that is suggested takes into account current inventory levels, supply and demand, as well as your reordering parameters. After making your selections, you will be able to consolidate your purchase orders according to factors such as its destination warehouse, lead time, or choose not to consolidate them at all. Before confirming the purchase orders, you can open and review them one by one to ensure accuracy. Confirming your purchase orders here puts them into a status of confirmed but not yet generated. If desired, this confirmed status can allow the purchase orders to be reviewed and approved by another member of your organization before they are generated in Sage. This allows designated purchasers to continue performing their jobs while maintaining transparency throughout the entire procurement process. As you can see, Scanco Procurement Automation allows for flexibility throughout each step of procurement. This flexibility also extends to the level of user profiles. For example, the percentages behind the warning criteria can be adjusted from the company-wide default settings if necessary. It is also possible to change the default behavior of some of the processing screens. This way, you can be sure that your workspace will reflect your individual responsibilities and workflows. To learn more about how Scanco Procurement Automation can automate your business, visit us today at scanco.com.